Hello everyone, welcome to my video on how a baby's brain is formed in utero. Before we talk about the specifics of the development, I would like to mention the 5 parts of the brain that is developed after the baby is born. So first we have the cerebrum. That is the largest area of the brain and it is controlled by thinking, remembering, and feeling. Then we have the cerebellum, which that controls motor control. The brainstem, which controls vital functions such as heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure. The pituitary gland, which is the little guy right there, that controls growth and metabolism. Then the hypothalamus right there, that controls temperature, hunger, and thirst. So, as said by the psych video, prenatal brain development, your baby's development starts immediately after conception takes place. Neural plates start forming in the fetus into 4 different sections. So you have the forebrain, the midbrain, the hindbrain, and then behind that you have the spinal cord. From weeks 4 to 8, the baby's brain is forming into 2 hemispheres. As it keeps developing, the baby's brain kind of bubbles and turns into the 5 different regions, which were the cerebellum, the cerebrum, pituitary gland, hypothalamus, and the brainstem. So when it gets to the second trimester, we're about halfway done and the baby's nervous system starts to develop. So as you can see here, this is the end of the first trimester, second trimester, the beginning of the second trimester, and then this guy goes into the third trimester. But here you can see the difference between the development of the brains. All right, and then we go into the third trimester where the crazy development happens. You can even see from size from 28 weeks to the 48 weeks. Random fact too, at 28 weeks, the baby can start dreaming. The baby's brain develops its own grooves and the baby's brain will continue to develop after it's been born. That's why there's a soft spot on the baby's brain, because the bone has not fully formed over the baby's brain. The last thing I'm going to talk about is folic acid and its benefits. Folic acid is very important for a baby's brain development. There's vitamins that you can take, and then all of these foods right here have folic acid in it to help mommy and baby to continue to form the brain and get the best function out of the brain. All right. And then there are my references. I hope you enjoyed my video on the baby's brain development and have a good day.